Hello everybody and welcome to Koi's Cookery. This is Annie here and it has been a hot minute since I did a review for you guys. So today I'm super excited to give you my thoughts and review on the Trader Joe's Blondie Bar Baking Mix. This is a non-sponsored review, so I'm not getting paid anything for this. I purchased it with my own money and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So this is what the packaging looks like, and there are instructions and of course nutrition facts. Trader Joe's always does well on their packaging. It's always super cute and it's really simple to make. You just need 1 stick of butter and 1 egg. That's it. So cut up your butter into small pieces and melt it in the microwave and then stir it to cool it down. It's really important to cool it down because you don't want to accidentally cook your eggs when you put them in there. So next, I put the brownie mix straight in the bag. As you can see, lots of chocolate chips. They were super generous. Go ahead and mix that. Then add in your egg and continue mixing. It was a little bit tough to do it with a manual whisk like I did, so if you have an electric mixer or stand mixer, use that instead. But if you do use a hand whisk, it just takes a little bit of time. So they recommended to put it in a greased 8x8 inch pan, so this is what I had. Take your time and pat that down till it's nice and smooth, and this is how it should look. They recommend to bake it at 350 degrees between 28 to 32 minutes, and this is how it looked when it came out. Let it cool completely before you cut it, and cut it into individual squares just like I did. I'm showing you how the middle piece looks as well as the side piece. As you can see, it looks really good. The chocolate is nice and gooey on the inside and the edges are very crispy. So the one thing I didn't like is how all the chocolate ended up sinking to the bottom. So from the top, they didn't even really look like Blondies. So what I did is drizzle some white chocolate on mine. Trader Joe's did claim that you can add your own toppings such as nuts and extra chocolate to this. So this is how the final result looks. They do look very pleasing to the eye. As for my rating, I would give these a 7.5 out of 10, and here's why. So the flavor of these were super decadent, rich, and buttery, which is amazing. However, I did find them to be a bit too oily. I think it would be less with a little bit less butter. I don't think you really need a whole stick of it like they claim on the box, because they just tended to be way too greasy. Also, appearance-wise, mine really didn't look anything like the picture on the box, even though I followed the instructions to a T. Since all the chocolate chips sank to the bottom, they didn't really look like Blondies from the top. But that's okay because the chocolate chips were in there, and again, they were really yummy. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this review. Many more to come. I thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my TikTok and my YouTube channel, and let me know down in the comments what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and love you guys.